Magandang hapon po ng January 31, 2026 Saturday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng January 31, 2026 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, January 31, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na mababasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later' for 9 PM draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Saturday, January 31, 2026. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Lotto 642 for Saturday, January 31, 2026. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for January 31, 2026, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.